Hey there, festive friends. Welcome to Home Decor, where we're turning up the cozy vibes for the holidays. I'm your host, and today we've got a sleigh full of Christmas fireplace ideas that will have your hearth singing with joy. But before we dive into the Yuletide magic, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. You won't want to miss out on our festive content all season long. All right, let's stoke the creative fire with idea number 1. Imagine sipping hot cocoa by a rustic cabin fireplace, surrounded by plaid blankets and flickering candlelight. Cozy, right? Well, stick around, because we've got more where that came from. From classic elegance to modern chic, we've got ideas for every taste. And yes, we're about to turn up the heat with our showstopper. But wait, there's a twist. We're spicing things up with a DIY touch. You don't need to be a holiday wizard to make your fireplace look this enchanting. See? Easy peasy. Now, who's ready for a winter wonderland right in their living room? Whether you're dreaming of a white Christmas or adding a touch of glam, these ideas will make your fireplace the heart of your holiday home. Stick around for the grand finale, where we unveil our festive masterpiece. But first, let's check in with our festive followers who've already decked their halls. Tag us in your fireplace creations, and you might just be featured in our next video. All right, drumroll please. Our grand finale, a Christmas fireplace so magical, you'll believe in Santa all over again. Wasn't that worth the wait? Now, if you loved these ideas as much as I did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow elves, and comment below with your favorite fireplace theme. Thanks for joining us on this festive journey. From our fireplace to yours, may your holidays be merry and bright. Until next time, stay cozy and keep spreading the joy. Happy holidays, everyone!